Good morning, beloveds, or good afternoon, depending on where you are. Yesterday, I'd started a conversation talking about living altars, and so I wanted to continue talking about living altars. So, hey, Anthony. Hey, beloveds. Thanks so much for tuning in. Egyptian Phoenix. Hello, Coffee in the Dark. Hello, Shelby. So, I'm checking in with you guys to continue talking about living altars and why it's so important. You know, many of us don't recognize, hold on, many of us, hello, beloveds, many of us don't recognize what it really means to have an altar. An altar is really a space. Good morning, beloveds. Hello, 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 good morning. So, an altar is really a place where we hold power and where we allow ourselves to center ourselves in our power. And so, thank you so much, Chef Yardi. Thank you so much. And so when we allow ourselves to have a place of power and where we can focus our energy, it really does create something sacred. And so thank you so much, Zola. I love that name, by the way. My great grandmother's name was Izola. And so, yeah, very close to Zola, very close to Zola. I love writing short stories about her, but here we are today. So, and you guys, if I ever lose you, it's because hey, Readings by Celeste, beloved, it's because my timer goes off and I always forget when I ignored it the last 15 minutes. And so I will come back, but I want to share with you some insight. So, having an altar, what that really does is give you a place of power where you can connect and collect your energy. And so what I'll be sharing over the next few everyday Brujería videos is altar alchemy. And this is really about, again, spring cleaning. Again, everybody is cleaning and getting in that fresh air. And look at, I just want to show you the beautiful sky right now. Got our beautiful sky. So today I can show you the sky. It's not so sunny today, and it's funny because it's always sunny. My daughter said, the day I decide to go tan, it's me outside. So sacred symbols. So you see I've got my sun there and my number 7. Again, so my altar is also in my home. Again, our sacred symbols are not just things outside of us, and that's why I show you my garden, because my garden reminds me that this is a living altar. I send love to my plants, to my lavender, to my jasmine. Look how beautiful my jasmine is. Waking up and smelling these beauties every morning, it just, again, it feeds my spirit, and that's what an is. And so that's why, that's why I'll be sharing you tonight, again, some numerology magic. So go on and follow Mission 1111. My girl Lourdes and I will be talking numerology tonight at 5 p.m. Central Standard. So go ahead and follow her. Again, you can get all the info in my stories. So check out my stories. And so we'll be talking numerology, and again, why it's so important that we allow ourselves to cleanse and have altars. Because again, right now is a time, a cycle of life and rebirth and resurrection. There's a story of Jesus, but there's also a story in the ancient Egyptians. There is the story of Isis bringing Osiris back to life, right? It's the same story of resurrection, and just like us, many of us are feeling reborn and rebirth after that Mercury retrograde, and we have another one coming up. And so in supporting that, and not in Mercury retrograde, Pluto is going into, and so is Jupiter right now, which is bringing us so much love and prosperity. And so that's what the 22-day cleanse is all about, is cleansing your aura, your karmic, and your soul. So that way, when you're ready to fully step into the spring, into the summer, you are fully blossomed. We might be cleaning our outside, getting ready for Easter and a resurrection on the outside, but we've got to do that inner work too. And that's what the 22-day cleanse is all about. And you get to be with me every Saturday, really grounding in and deepening that work and practice. So you can get right now the workbook and do it by yourself, again, guided for 22 days, or you can get it with me and go with me live every Saturday for 3 weeks. We kick off on Monday, and so on the 22nd. And so that's why I love numerology, because their numbers not only provide us numerology, it's something that connects all of us. Numbers have no color, they have no ethnicity, they have nothing. We all know numbers. And that's why the ancient Egyptians used them to connect us. again, because no matter where we are, we all know numbers. We all can see them, and they all mean the same thing to us, no matter what, no matter what currency it takes. We all know the significance of numbers. And so just like astrology, it's something that we're all meant to know. And so join me again tonight, and we're really going to get into, hey Bree, hey inner child, heal the inner child issues. And so that is what is on tap. And I've got something very special to announce on the 22nd as well. So many of you have been asking more and more about how you connect to your own inner wisdom, that inner teacher. And I'm going to share with you my number one and favorite way to do that very, very soon. So stay tuned. So we kick off the cleanse, the 22-day cleanse on Monday. And the reason we're doing that is because 22 is, again, a master number, a builder number. And whatever we start on a master builder number always grows and multiplies. My birthday is on the 22nd of July, and so that's why I love doing things on the 22nd. And we'll be in that moon energy, again, of releasing. And so we start with the aura cleanse, and then we deepen our practice with the karmic cleanse, and then we wrap it up with the soul cleanse. You know, now is a time of Lent. So many people are saying, I'm not doing this. Again, the sense of deprivation. But when you do an energy cleanse, a soul cleanse, and an aura cleanse, what you do is you again become who you say you want to be. So this is about rebirth, but really truly from inside out, not just about clearing out clutter on the outside. It's about clearing the clutter on the inside. So go ahead and get the workbook, or again, join me for the live sessions. Again, it's less than $25. Again, an opportunity for you to work with me, again, live every Saturday, and cleanse that clutter in your mind, your body, and your spirit. So happy Tuesdays. Again, I'm taking some time off, winding down after the Bruja boot camp and getting ready for the Sacred Sisterhood retreat again. And so we've got a full moon on Friday, so I've got some good stuff to share with you. And so have a beautiful, blessed day, beloveds. I send you so much love and light. And until next time, peace and blessings.